Hi folks, this is Faizan from ReGrow, and in today's video we are going to see how exactly we are going to install Eclipse in our system. So first we will move to our web browser, that is Google Chrome for me. So we'll type in here Eclipse and then download and hit enter. And then the very first site that is loaded is Eclipse. From the eclipse.org we'll move into this website. So here you can see various tools available by the eclipse.org. So the one that is required for us is Eclipse IDE. So the version at the time of recording is 2021-12. So we'll be downloading this. So we'll click on the download button here, and post that we will move to this download page, wherein we will click the download. And after this page will appear, but here if you see how Eclipse is getting downloaded here. So once this is complete, we will move to the folder, and then we will move further with our installation part. So since I already have this installed in my system, so I'll just cancel this one and I'll move to the folder where I already have it. So I have my Eclipse already in downloads folder. So here it is. So from here what I'll do is I'll just double click this one and wait for the system pop-up to appear asking us to install. Here you can see our installer is started. So here you will see this particular pop-up wherein it will be asking which version of Eclipse do you want. So you want for Java developers, enterprise. So what we need for our project at this moment is Eclipse IDE for Eclipse committers. So we are going to download this one. So I'm clicking on this one, and here it asks where do you want to store, where exactly is your Java, and here it is mentioning Java 11 plus VM. So we need to just mention the path to that JTK. So it has automatically picked since we have already provided our path. And if you want to refer to the video of how to provide the path, for that I'll put a link above as well. You can check out that video. So I'm okay with all the paths, so I'll press install here. So it shows an agreement pop-up, so we'll just accept it now, and here you see installation has begun. So here you see folks, now we are done with the installation. Now it is asking us to launch. So if you want to open Eclipse this moment, we can just click on this launch button. So I'm just pressing it here so that we can just verify if Eclipse is installed properly on our system or not. So this is the very first appearance of Eclipse, and here it is asking for the workspace. So here it will be automatically setting it up for me. So I'm just clicking launch over here, and we'll just check a small Java code if that is working fine for us or not in the Eclipse IDE. So here you see the welcome page from Eclipse. So we will be closing this out, and to check whether this is working fine for us or not, and okay, this donate page will pop up automatically. So we'll close this and we will move to our Eclipse again. So in the Eclipse here, if you see, we don't have anything loaded. So at this time what we can do is we can simply click on create a Java project just to check whether it is working fine or not, and I'm writing demo check as the project name. This is our project name, and we won't add anything else apart from that, and then we'll do next, and we are okay with this. So we'll just finish this. Okay, so we'll say don't create, and here you see this demo check project is up for us now. What we can do is we can simply create a class and check in our project whether that is working fine or not. So we'll right click on this one and move to new and then we will create a class. So you can just give any name for your class. So I'm doing test me, and I'm writing this, clicking on this public static void main string args and doing finish. And herein we'll just type a small snippet, that is system dot out dot println, and we will write testing if Eclipse is working fine for me. So this is done, and we will just give a semicolon at the last. Let's add ReGrow tech, sorry, ReGrow tech. So now what we will do is we will save this. For doing that, we will press Ctrl plus S. So here you see this is saved now. So just to check if this is working fine, right click on this very same place and then go to run as, and then run it as Java application. So here you see whatever message we had actually passed in our system.out.println is showing perfectly here. That means it is working fine and Eclipse is running perfectly for us. So that was all for today's video, folks. Thank you for watching.